In today's video, I'm going to teach you how Monarch Money works, providing a full overview tailored for beginners. Monarch Money is a comprehensive financial management platform designed to streamline the way you handle your finances, offering a user-friendly interface that helps you stay organized and in control of your money. Let's begin our journey by heading to the Monarch dashboard, which serves as the command center for your financial activities. Here, you'll be greeted with a snapshot of your overall financial health. This dashboard is your go-to place for quick insights and updates on your accounts, spending, and more. Getting acquainted with the dashboard will empower you to navigate the platform with greater ease and efficiency. Now, let's take a look at the Accounts section. This feature is quite dynamic, allowing you to connect and manage all your financial accounts in one place. Whether it's your savings, checking, or credit card accounts, linking them is straightforward. This connectivity provides a clear, consolidated view of your financial standing, making tracking your monetary movements much simpler. From there, you can move to the Transactions page, where adding a transaction is as simple as a few clicks. Monitoring and manually adding transactions can often help you better reflect on your spending habits and tweak them according to your financial goals. It's a small but vital part of maintaining a consistently accurate financial record. Speaking of spending, the cash flow section offers insights into your cash flow dynamics, giving you a visual representation of your income and expenditures. With an easy-to-understand layout, this section enables you to quickly assess your spending patterns, which is crucial for budgeting and financial planning. When it comes to generating reports, Monarch Money has you covered. The Reports feature lets you delve deeper into your financial data, providing breakdowns that help clarify areas where you can improve. It's like having a financial advisor who constantly keeps you in the know about your money. With an understanding of cash flow and reports, you'll find creating a budget on Monarch Money is a user-friendly process. Budgets are essential in controlling your finances, and with this tool, you can set realistic limits that align with your goals. Recurring transactions are also an integral part of financial planning. Monarch Money enables you to track these effortlessly, so you never miss a bill or subscription. This feature assures you stay ahead of your regular commitments without stress. In addition to managing day-to-day finances, Monarch Money allows you to set and track financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, this feature is designed to keep your eyes on the prize. Moreover, Monarch Money supports investment tracking, which is ideal if you're looking to grow your wealth. By monitoring your investments through the platform, you can easily assess your portfolio's performance and make informed decisions. Finally, the platform offers financial advice, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge needed to make smart financial choices. Whether you're optimizing your budget or planning investments, it's like having a virtual financial advisor working with you, simplifying the complexities of money management. By using Monarch Money, you'll find financial management becomes less daunting and more insightful. Dive in, explore its features, and you'll be well on your way to achieving financial security and clarity.